This module examines the essential roles and core functions of managers in any organization. Effective management is not just about overseeing tasks, it involves planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve specific goals. In addition, managers often wear multiple hats, serving as leaders, decision-makers, communicators, and change agents. Understanding management. Management is the process of coordinating resources, human, financial, material, and informational, to achieve organizational objectives efficiently and effectively. Managers operate at different levels, top, middle, and lower, but share common functions that are vital to organizational success. The 4 core functions of management. A. Planning involves setting objectives and determining the best course of action to achieve them, includes strategic, tactical, operational, and contingency planning. Key steps. 1. Defining goals. 2. Identifying resources. 3. Forecasting challenges. 4. Creating action plans. Example, a hotel manager planning for peak season bookings, budgeting for staff overtime, and strategizing promotional offers. B. Organizing, determining how activities and resources are arranged. It involves 1. Allocating tasks. 2. Grouping tasks into departments. 3. Assigning authority and responsibilities. 4. Coordinating relationships. Example, a project manager organizing team roles for a new app launch, UI/UX design, back-end development, and marketing. C. Leading or directing involves influencing and motivating employees to work toward organizational goals. Leadership requires 1. Strong communication, 2. Emotional intelligence, 3. Conflict resolution, 4. Team building. Example, a warehouse supervisor motivates the team with daily briefings and celebrates productivity milestones. D. Controlling, monitoring activities to ensure they align with plans. These includes 1. Setting performance standards, 2. Measuring actual performance, 3. Comparing results with targets, 4. Taking corrective action. Example, a finance manager monitors quarterly expenditures to ensure budget compliance. Mintzberg's managerial roles. Management expert Henry Mintzberg identified 10 managerial roles categorized into 3 groups. Group A, interpersonal roles, which are 1. Figurehead, symbolic leader, performs ceremonial duties. 2. Leader, directs and motivates subordinates. 3. Liaison, builds networks and external contacts. Example, a university dean attending alumni events, figurehead, while guiding academic staff, leader, and meeting with corporate sponsors, liaison. B. Informational roles. They are 1. Monitor, collects and analyzes information. 2. Disseminator, shares relevant information with staff. 3. Spokesperson, represents the organization to outsiders. Example, a CEO briefing the press, spokesperson, while updating employees internally on strategic changes, disseminator. Finally, C. Decisional roles. 1. Entrepreneur, initiates change and innovation. 2. Disturbance handler, resolves disputes or crises. 3. Resource allocator, distributes resources appropriately. 4. Negotiator, represents the organization in major negotiations. Example, a hospital administrator resolving a labor strike, disturbance handler, while negotiating contracts, negotiator. Levels of management. Managers function at 3 primary levels. 1. Top-level management, executives like CEOs, COOs, who set vision and long-term strategies. 2. Middle-level management, department heads and branch managers who translate strategies into operational plans. 3. Lower-level, first-line management, supervisors and team leads who handle daily operations and direct frontline staff. Key point, each level uses planning, organizing, leading, and controlling, but with different emphases. Skills of effective managers. Managers must develop a blend of technical, human, and conceptual skills. Technical skills, knowledge and proficiency in a specific field, e.g., IT, finance. Human skills, ability to work well with people, communication, empathy. Conceptual skills, ability to see the organization holistically and understand abstract concepts. Example: a factory manager needs technical skills in machinery, human skills to manage operators, and conceptual skills to reduce production costs. Managerial decision-making. Managers face routine and non-routine decisions. They use 1. Programmed decisions for routine issues with established procedures. 2. Non-programmed decisions for novel, complex problems requiring innovation. The decision-making process involves A. Identifying the problem, B. Gathering information, C. Developing alternatives, D. Evaluating alternatives, E. Choosing and implementing the best one, and F. Reviewing the decision. Challenges in managerial roles. 1. Navigating change and uncertainty. 2. Managing cross-cultural teams. 3. Balancing innovation with structure. 4. Handling conflict and resistance. 5. Ensuring ethical leadership and compliance. Final note on this module is this: a manager in a global tech company must adapt to rapid market changes, lead multicultural teams, and innovate within strict data privacy laws. In the next module, we would look at emotional intelligence in leadership. See you in Module 4.